roasted garlic burger on the menu today. I'm going to show you how to do this, guys. It's going to be amazing. Some butter on the bottom of your little tray, a little bit of olive oil, and guess what? We're going to kick it up just a notch. So this baby right here, we're going to add some rosemary, and we're into the oven. Here we go, guys. Low temperature for about an hour, and this is what you're gonna get. Look at these bad boys. We're gonna drop them in to some flour so they can dry up and get that flour covered up just enough, and bring them into our beer batter, nice and thick. Here we go into our hot oil, just like this, guys, one at a time so that they don't stick together and they are fully coated. Here we go. Little barbecue sauce on the bun. Of course, we're gonna come through with some fresh greens, a little rockets, guys, and some nice slices of cheddar. It's gonna be amazing. Now we're gonna go ahead and build it. Just to let you know, our bun was nicely toasted with some mayonnaise, which is gonna give us a delicious flavor at the end. It's gonna taste like a garlic aioli. Even though we made these two things separately, we're gonna come through with the juiciest slice of brisket ever. Some pickled onions, jalapenos, nice little pickles, 2 thick crispy slices of bacon, and here we go with the crispy garlic all the way. Here we go, nicely roasted on the top.